If we are doing a full bathroom remodel, that means that the vanities are being taken out and we are putting new vanities. So majority of the time, the vanities that we take out are the old height, and that is about 30.5 inches. Not talking about with the countertop, just talking to you about the cabinet itself. That is considered the old height. Over and over, we hear people say, take that thing off of here, my back is hurting. We apparently are taller people as a new generation, right? And the next generation is going to be even taller than us. But the majority of the clients that we have today, they want the now standard height, which is a 34.5 before countertop, and then you have the countertop on top. Why? Because it does not make you bend all the way down to have to brush your teeth or, wash your face and so on and so forth. That 4 inches, guys, it really matters. Truly, it really does. It's so much more comfortable being able to do at the height today. 34.5 is also your kitchen cabinetry height and is considered standard throughout the house. Now, should I do more than that? Let's say I'm a 6 foot tall and I'm thinking to potentially go to, 40 inches cabinetry. Don't. There is a reason why some heights and some measurements are considered standard, even though if you are a 6 foot person, because at 40 it will be too tall, I promise. Now you're gonna have different backache, okay? So don't do it. Unless you come back and tell me that you're a 6.5 or 7 foot tall person, I will stick with the 34.5. Beyond that, is the occasional, right? The majority is about 5'8", 6 feet. Actually, even people that are the baby boomer and they were not as tall as what we are today, they say all the time once we do it, they say, oh my God, my back doesn't hurt anymore. It's kind of like the toilet height, right? So it used to be 15 inches. Now with the seat, we got standard 17 inches and people love it. Once you use it once, you think that, how can I ever use that shorter, right? It is so much more convenient and comfortable with the today height. Remember, technology is helping. We are moving forward based on the technology improvements. And as of today, 34.5 is the golden do it height.